about to apply my all-time favorite lip combo. So whether you use these 3 colors or any other colors in the line, they're all applied in the same order of application. Step 1, I'm using the RAISIN lip liner, and I'm going to line the edge of my lips. Make sure when you're applying your liner, you're not overdrawing and getting into the hair on the face. That's too far. After framing the entire upper lip, I then go in and shade the corners of the lips, creating more of an ombre effect. You don't have to do this, but it will make your lips appear fuller. Already you can see how the outer corners of the lips look shaded, making the center part look a little bit fuller. I'm showing you this before I start blending. You may not be aware, but the end of all of our lip liners have a smudger, and one little snap over, it has a sharpener. I'm going to use the smudger to diffuse the edge of my ombre lip. Now that I've smudged one side, you can see the difference between this one and the other that has not been smudged, how it looks more diffused and more of a gradient effect from the corner to the center of my lip. See how natural that looks? I kept my liner inside the perioral edge, not beyond it. Now I'm going to do my lower lip. I keep it a little bit tighter in here as I'm going down, and then I hug the bottom part. This also gives a little bit more of a pouty look, not a frowning look with putting too much too far down on the outer corner. Again, shading the inner corners to create that ombre, and then using the smudger to blend. Now my lip liner has been applied. I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick, which is the IMMORTELLE Matte in the shade Life Rose On. I apply this color right to the center of my lip and blend to the edge of the ombre of my lip liner. And look how much more dimension I have, but it's so natural and faded that you can't tell that I've ombre'd my lip liner than just to apply one flat color all the way across the lip. I love this formula because it stays on 6 to 8 hours, and I hate touching up my lipstick. It does have a tiny bit of hydration, not like other matte lipsticks that feel like dried saran wrap. You can wear it like this, or you can apply a gloss on top. I usually wear it matte, but I've chosen to show you guys how to use my 2 cents and where it goes. I like to use the doe foot applicator on the back of my hand to disperse the product and then use my finger. If you use a lighter color gloss and you're constantly applying it over your dark lipsticks, the color will change by the end of the tube. So I use the back of my hand and press it right in the center of the lip. This is a nice gold metallic. It can be used over any color, but you can see how much fuller my lips look towards the center when you apply this. Then give it a little smack.